All right, we back once again. Hope you guys had a good week. I had a pretty good week trading like Tesla, IWM, that kind of stuff. Just wanted to go over a really cool uh, feature of Takeron that, as you guys might know by now, or if you don't, if you're new here, I am partnered with Takeron. So I do a couple videos a week. Most of the videos I do are my own original content. So this is also my own original content, but it is about Takeron. So I got to do 2 of these a week, which I enjoy. I like Takeron. I've been using it for several years, off and on, until they came and asked me to kind of do some reviews of their service and that kind of stuff. So if you guys go check this out, let me know what you think in the comments of Takeron. What they want right now is they want to grow. They're about to blow up with some really cool brokerage things. Their AI bots are about to go be able to connect to your brokerage and trade for you. That's going to be a really cool feature. It's going to make trading a lot easier for people, and you'll be able to just put like $1,000 in there and just let it grow. So I think that's going to be cool. That's coming down the pipe. Now, what this is kind of a signal service / research service and an investment advising service. So it's a mix of a lot of things. What I really like about it is the AI portion of it. I think the AI integration using the signals and being able to see the odds and basically all the stuff you do normally on a chart. You're looking at a chart and you're trying to draw trend lines and all that stuff. All that stuff is done for you automatically with, it's not really AI, but with the bots that they've built at Takeron. So again, go check it out and let me know what you think. I need ideas to give them so that we want to improve their service, and they want to improve their service really bad because they want to grow and they want to be huge here in America. So be a part of that. Go check it out, Takeron.com. Go check out my link. If you're going to sign up, use my link, my referral link, please. Helps me out a ton. Also like and subscribe. But I wanted to go over these signal service, the free trades. So you guys can go to Takeron, check out free trade signals. And basically you get a feed here. There's a little video, a little help link here to show you how to use it. And then every day you can, so I'll come through here and I'll scan some of these and go, okay, what's going on? Are there any good signals? What kind of things is the AI advisor kind of signaling here? And what it's doing is it's going, oh, hey, look, so, let's just take one of these. Let's take Vail, for example, which was kind of a runner recently. But look, it's saying odds of a downtrend. Now, I haven't looked at this yet today, but let's see what it says. So, and look what it's going to do. It's going to say Vail in uptrend. 10-day moving average cross above 50-day. Okay, so that was on June 8th. So they basically said, hey, here's a buy signal here. We think it's going to move higher, even though it gapped down underneath it. So this is what you have to do with these signals. They're free, and all they're doing is just basically giving you a heads up. Hey, it's kind of like a scanner. Hey, this happened. Something to keep an eye out for. However, obviously you wouldn't take this trade yet until it got back above the moving averages. But that's just part of, hey, you didn't know this was happening. Now you do. And then what it'll do is give you odds of everything. So here's the MACD. If you're a MACD type of trader, it's going to tell you how many cases, 33 of 47 cases over the following month. The odds of a continued uptrend are 70%. So there's a bullish trend analysis. It's going to go over a few of those, the Arun indicator. Then it'll give you both the bull and bear case. So I have the bearish case here, the 10-day RSI. It's going to give you the odds of this too. 38 similar instances where the indicator moved out of overbought territory. In 21 of the 38 cases, the stock moved lower in the following day. So you basically can put together a case like, hey, the MACD says yes, the RSI says no. We're underneath that signal, so I would call this like an invalidated signal for now. It's not really anything. And then you got some more ideas here too. So the momentum indicator. So this way it eliminates your need to have to go look at a chart, which is really cool. You can just come in here and look at a bunch of these in the morning. So this is something I do. I'll go check out a bunch of these. Okay, let's look at Canopy Growth. Okay, this stock I can already tell you is probably bearish, but let's see what it says here. So the Arun indicator entered a downtrend. Okay, that's cool to know. That's good to know. So we're in a downtrend. It's saying down. I would be in on this as a bearish trade just without even having to tell me, just because I already know the stock is bearish. I haven't looked at it in months either. I can already tell you that I'm pretty sure. But it also has some bullish trend analysis. So you can see where the bearish trend analysis was first. This one's the bullish trend analysis is second. So that's interesting too. But then you can go through and look, hey, is this bearish set of data, is this gonna the weight of the evidence here, is it higher here than it is here? Okay, well, if it is, then maybe I could take a swing trade short on this if I were so inclined. So that's cool. You can also look at the fundamental ratings as well. So Takeron has fundamental ratings analysis using their SMR rating. I'll go over that in another video sometime, but you can see it's the sales margin return on equity. And it's going to give you an indicator of 70. 1 is best, 100 is worst. So this one has a 70. Okay, stuff that's high in this SMR rating is going to be fairly bad in today's market, especially with tightening conditions. With the Fed doing their thing, they want stocks lower. So don't fight the Fed. Very simple. If you got stocks that don't have a good fundamental rating, you're likely to. That's why I knew already that this stock is bearish, just because I already knew this fundamental rating was going to be bad, just because it's not a fundamentally sound company. As far as what I know, since I've been watching it for 3 years. The valuation rating 92. So here you go. These are great little metrics to check out. You also got the chart, obviously it's getting destroyed, and then you got the earnings expectations. So they report earnings to fall 82%. That's what they're expecting here on August 15th. So downtrend until August 15th. I would likely see that. A couple other ones. Let's look at some other ones. Maybe there's a hot one in here somewhere. Oracle. Okay. I remember Oracle had a sweet little run recently, a couple months ago. But let's check this one out. So this one says it recovers from oversold territory. So a lot of people trade RSI, MACD, that kind of stuff. When I first started trading, this is what I used. I don't use the RSI, MACD, that kind of moving averages anymore. But if I see some data put together like this, I will use it because it's got back-tested results here that I can look at. 2744 cases. Following a 4.23% 3-day advance, price is estimated to grow further, so on and so forth. So you're seeing the power of, you can see the obviously Oracle, a good fundamental company. It's got a 12 rating and a 20. So, you don't really want to short it too hard if it's got good fundamental ratings, especially in this market. And you got just kind of like a summary of everything here. Look, they got the valuation at 87 here as the fundamental, but these are free ideas for you. Here's a bullish one right here. Free ideas generated by the bot. There's tons of them. They show up every day. I think it's really cool for people to be able to get a feel for how the bot works, and it's very simplified, I would say, because it's just using basic indicators, but it's got that data to back it up. Whereas, you go in and look at a stock, and do you back test the RSI crossover every single time? Not usually. You're usually looking for an RSI divergence or at a support, or RSI divergence at a resistance, or a cross above 50 or something like that. But you don't know how many cases that's happened. Same thing with the MACD. You don't know how many cases the MACD has crossed up and that has resulted in an uptrend. You just go, oh, MACD crossed up, and not everybody does this, but most people look, MACD crossed up, it's it's above 0. Okay, that's a bullish signal. Well, it is, but you don't know the odds. You don't know the odds. That's the idea. So the more you trade, the longer you trade, the more you come to love the odds. The odds are your best friend when it comes to trading, and this is something I still work on. Following the odds, following the data, following the weight of the evidence. This Takeron is going to give you all of that, and it's going to give you an edge. That's all you're really after, is that odds are in your favor. That's your edge. That's how you win in trading. Okay, so anyways, if you guys like this, make sure to like the video and to subscribe. I know there's tons of my viewers don't subscribe. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. It's not that hard. Help me out. And then use my referral link to go sign up for Takeron. That way you can at least get this part. It's free. So there's value already, and if you sign up for any of the services, I get to use all of these, obviously, since I'm partnered with them. So I'm testing all this stuff here. But I would say, the best values here to at least get started is you get the free trade signals. I would go right for the AI pattern search, AI trend prediction. Man, these right here are so good. Once they start getting this brokerage going into these bots, I would definitely be all about the bots. Those are really solid, and I got another video on that as well. So anyways, check all that out, and hopefully you like this video. See you next time. Peace.